Hey guys, welcome back to an Oath tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to clear your cache in Google Chrome. This can be really useful if you're experiencing issues with websites or if you've been told that clearing your browser cache can help resolve certain problems. So, let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is simply open up Google Chrome. Once you've got that opened, head to the top right corner and click on the three little dots to open up the menu. In the menu, scroll down to More Tools, and then select Clear Browsing Data. This will bring up two tabs, Basic and Advanced. For this tutorial, we'll stick to the Basic tab as we're focusing on clearing the browser cache. Now, the first thing you need to do is select the time frame for which you want to delete the browser cache. You can choose anywhere from an hour to all time. If you're having issues with a website, it's usually better to select all time to ensure a thorough cleanup. To specifically clear the browser cache, uncheck Browsing History. I recommend leaving Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files checked. Once you've made these selections, head to the bottom right and click Clear Data. Congratulations, you've now cleared your browser cache in Google Chrome. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to clear your cache in Google Chrome. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Google Chrome tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.